right now. Go.
Hey guys, it's your boy Armor Toad. Today we're going to be doing some exploration. Now you might have seen my friend Landon's channel, and he did one too. And today we're going to be just exploring a different area because this is a gigantic park. It's awesome out here.
Oh yeah, by the way, subscribe to Atlanta Commando 05. Back at it again in another video. Let's go.
Alright, so he's going to be our cameraman today, and I'm just going to be the explorer because I like running so I'm getting mud all over myself.
Yeah, and you know I got the fresh kicks, you know what I'm saying? So I can't really fucking... Alright, you want to ditch our bikes off right here? Yeah, let's go fucking closer. Here, I'll just walk mine. You found what?
Homeless person, like a homeless camp out here.
Damn, like a Russian.
There's like 4 homeless people out here. Apparently they have like tents and stuff. It's not like camping, like homeless.
Right here.
Well, yeah, let's get nice behind the bus.
Yeah.
There's like his own entrance.
Alright, let's go. Whoa, what's that? Maybe this has a chopping date.
Oh, that's cool. Well, I'll take that out. I think maybe something. If you guys know what that is, tell us in the comments. Now let's move. Yeah, please.
Oh shit, some cans. Someone's obviously been here.
Yeah, this is a camping area.
McDonald's. Yeah, someone's definitely been here.
Chewing tobacco.
Oh, let's see.
We took some of the mud off it. This looks like a chewing tobacco can, huh?
It is. It's a hole. Yeah. Open it up. Oh.
Ugh. I don't want to get that shit. It's just gross. I've heard some shit stories about that.
Yeah.
Shit, we might get fucking arrested for that part in the video, alright? Let's take a look around. Dude. It looks like they might feed the squirrels out here. Piece of corn on the ground.
Yeah, maybe they gave him the extras.
Yeah. Watch out for deer crap, by the way.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm looking out for.
Let's see, what areas can you not see from there? Let's go further. Let's go deeper in.
Wait.
Yeah, woodpecker.
Yeah, woodpecker.
Cool. I'm gonna go.
Oh, look at all that crap.
Holy crap. That's a lot of damage.
Oh.
Oh, what the heck is that? Is that a giant light? Oh, let's go check that out.
Shit.
Here's the wheelbarrow.
What the fuck?
Looks like it's been
Johnny.
working for a while.
Johnny. Look it.
What the? Oh, what the?
What the fuck? Clothes.
No, that can't be close. Let me grab it.
Johnny? Johnny? I think someone steals stuff and then dumps it back here. Look it.
That's a camp area. Let's go check that out.
No, look. Wait, look. Is that a car? Is that, look it. It has a motor.
What the?
What the fuck? Wait. Johnny, explore over here first. Fucking.
It's me, I'm already up.
Johnny, I don't feel safe out here, bro.
Oh, I feel safe. We'll see some if they come out.
What the fuck?
Is that a toilet? No, that's a water fountain. You got some water fountains out here. Wait, what the fuck is this? This footbridge given by, what the hell? Looks like people take the washed up stuff and put it back out here. Chair. That chair. That wasn't stolen, I don't think. I don't know how to get out here.
That's stolen for sure, though.
Yeah.
That's stolen for sure. Alright, come on, let's go.
Once we gotta get the stuff out here. Doesn't look too badly damaged. Oh, that's how you know you have a flat tire. It hasn't been used for a while for sure. Looks like it just got recently flipped over.
Recently?
Because look how flat these tires are. And it's been underwater, I think, because you can see the cracking on this dirt.
Yeah.
Got some bricks over there, possibly from a broken bench. I don't see what the deal is with you. So it's broke.
Johnny, you got about you got about 2 minutes left, Johnny.
Alright. Got a chair over there. Oh, there's another wheel there. What the?
It's one of those things.
Did that catch anything? I don't know how to check. Stairs.
I think this is flooding. Like, this is all the flood water still.
This might have been like an old dump yard or something. We can get across.
Wait, is that the Pecatonica River?
That's not the Pecatonica.
No,
I think the Pecatonica is out that way.
Yeah.
Don't
You got
cross
about a
that
minute,
line.
Johnny. You got about a minute.
Alright.
What are you crossing on?
If I die, tell me what to love her.
Don't do it. Yeah, you're
Wait.
yeah, you're fucked. You're fucked, dude.
Wait, I can just get over there.
Yeah.
It's not even a big jump.
Johnny, you got about 56 seconds. Hurry the fuck up.
How do you know?
Cause it says how much long you have. What are you looking for?
I don't know. That's some gate cross.
I got a fucking boner.
Alright, I'm not gonna make that jump, I don't think. What's over there?
Well, that wraps it up for the video.
Yep.
Um,
Figure it out next video.
next video we will check this out and subscribe to Atlanta Commando, subscribe to Armor 2.0, smash that like button. We'll be posting this summer, and yeah, we're just trying to find out some more stuff. So see you later. Yeah, dig.